Good morning, everyone. This is Zishan Ahmed. Welcome to the InvestWorthy Market London session is just about to open, and we have a good opportunity in a gold in a shorter time frame. But as we can see, today is an important news day that is NFP. So be careful before 1 hour. Either stay away from the market or try to protect your capital as much as you possible, because in the NFP we see a spike moves up or down. We see great deal of, like, you see a higher volatility, and if you have a smaller account and a bigger lot sizes, it can easily wipe you off. You will not even know like when you will go up, or if you are lucky, you will be making a huge mistake for the future. Maybe today you will make a profit, but in the long term, that confidence will make you lose a lot of amount of money. So be careful and begin today. Market is just about the session. This is the 1 hour, 2 hour from now, like 1 hour. Yes, it will be like 1.5 hour. The market will have some volatility. After this, the market it will go to sleep, and then in a US session, you will see market is running up and down. You won't be able to finalize like what should be done. So as per expectations, NFP is supposed to come down, which means bad for dollar. Unemployment, if it come less than forecast, it's also bad for dollar. So it's a USD news. If dollar is having a bad news, it will affect everyone. Gold, oil, all the currencies. So be careful today. It's NFP and it's coming on the second Friday of this month, because earlier it was a holiday and just beginning of the year. From the 4 hour, we can look here. It was a downtrend and then a break of downtrend. It tested and it's come up. So whatever we have to look here, we must look in this zone. This is our main zone. In this zone, we will move to the smaller time frame, that is half hour. Half hour is giving us an opportunity. It's like higher low, higher up, higher low, higher up, higher low, higher up, higher low, and and this is the up position. So what if we have to expect in the market today? Like, this is the initial level as per the 4 hour. Yes, this is the initial level to target. Let's make it the target. And the second low is here, 47.20. And for the stop loss, it's not going to be the good level to stop loss, because we are having our swing low over here 26.15 and our highs are just around nears. But if we move to the short term trading and we look for trading opportunity on a smaller time frame, we see we have the two stop loss levels, number one and number two. It's very short stop loss and this is the bigger one. So what happens, we have to look for the opportunity. This is the higher high which is being tested, and if market rejects here, it will go back down to 2664. This is the probability, and because rejection of this higher level, but the strength here, it indicates that market can go up. And then yesterday we were waiting for like market to break this 70 area and go up. It already broken it, and now it's just retesting it. On the high time frame we can see the market is strong. So what we need to do to follow this trend, unless this trend is broken, and this trend is breaking below 70. Okay, I'm not gonna trade in this scenario because it's too tricky. If you can see, this is going to be the our SL, and minimum ratio for risk to reward should be 1 to 2. So here we are getting 1 to 2. This is the area we are getting 1 to 2. Yes. I'm publishing a trade also. Publish idea. Okay. Link of the idea will be shared. Forecast. Trade opportunities. January 2025. Let's see, we have one trade opportunity here, and other buy opportunity is around this level. Market comes down, we have to buy one more here on 2670. After that, we can go, and this is our target 2708 below the second resistance. So, this is for the goal. Thank you very much. Let's move to the next pair. That's going to be the Euro USD. So for Euro yesterday, when with our community, we share the trading opportunity which arise here. Uh, we are already running and expecting a sell, which you can see we are running a sell position here. Already we entered here, and we are just waiting for it to go to reach our targets. We open trade around this level. Yes, here we open the trade. Our target is 240. Stop loss is at this way. This was our trade, and this is what we are looking for today. This is a very good risk to reward ratio 2.48, because on the longer term market is just a bearish. You see, bearish term is mean active, and trade is still active, and we are in the trade, and we are waiting for our targets to reach. But my main target is around here, this level. Did you get my idea? In the long run, market is just dropping. Pound euro is getting weaker, and we might hit the parity. We might hit euro and dollar equal to each other, which happened in past in the history. If you go into the longer term and 5 years, remember guys, this was the time 0.96, and we were even below that. Data is not showing. So what I'm expecting, it should go back to at least these levels. It's a long term, not a short term idea, but in a long term, this is the idea. Euro is going down and too much down. So we may hit the parity once again, like $1 equal to €1. That's for the euro dollar. Let's move to the pound. Pound is also running down, as you can see. It's a major spike which often comes around the market openings. This is the pullback. The market is being rejected from these areas, but it's just a 15-minute time frame. And if you look at the 1 hour, still we see some area of interest here. So market will actually come back. See the weakness of the bull and the strength of the bears. If you look at a bigger picture, it's going down, 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 down. So we will follow this structure, this long structure going down. And today I don't see a good opportunity in the pound because you see it's in a big range, touching its lowers, but in the long run it's going down. Let's move to the more high volatile pairs. There we can expect some movement because bulls are weak, and if they resume back to the bear structure, we can wait from this level 6248 back to at least 161.48. So it's going to be the huge distance, like at least 100 pips. And in terms of the Euro JPY, it's going to be the 1000 pips that market can go back. But the condition it should resume back, it bears should come back. And if we see the trend line is already broken and market is trying to go up. So if it breaks above this level, what scenario is market goes up, retest. Here is the opportunity for us to enter back. Let's move to the next point because still we don't have an opportunity here. That is GBP, JPY. Same, they all are stuck. They are waiting for the news to come. News will break these sideways levels. Either it will break down or it will break up. And if it's going to up, it will go up to 2200. So for the news time, still wait for this pair to act. NCD USD. Again, range, a big range. You can see that market rejecting the lows and it's trying to make highs, but hopefully the news will break the lows. Hopefully. Or if news come as per the expected, the forecast, it drops from the previous one, that is 227k, and it drops to 164k or 150k. It's not good for a dollar, and we will see highs. So guys, thank you very much. This is for today. Market is a very tricky day. Today is a news day. Most of the trend traders they stay away from the news days. And if you have already in the market from the before the news and you know like where the news will make it, that is a fundamental trading, long-term investing, which already you have prepared for. And there is another time the news trading becomes a casino where you put some amount in your account and bet on it. And luckily, if you make some profit, that becomes your bad habit because on that profit gives you the confidence like every time you will win in the market. But remaining, the more you with us, you will learn the way like the way we follow the market. We never predict what's gonna come tomorrow, today, or what's going to come after tomorrow. We always look at the price moves and in which direction they are moving, what patterns they are making. We do the statistical analysis, technical analysis, and look for the future movement as per the past, like what it did in the past, and then we measure the probability and go for the signal. Let's say we enter for the gold, as you can see. This was the gold spot, and we have spikes. We are having a good spikes. As I was seeing the big volatility in the market, like it's jumping up and down, up and down. Now it's a big range. If it breaks here, it can go up, or either it needs to break the lows of the 70s. Now the breaking low doesn't mean like it should touch and go back. It means like it should close below this level. It should close below this level. If it's not closing below this level, it means market is still bullish. But if it closes below this level, it's a downtrend, but if it's close above, it's still a weak uptrend but uptrend, because in the long term it's a very strong, it's getting strong. And you can see the opportunities here, 2720, this is the area of interest. And if market comes here, there is a possibility of a triple top forming, and triple top is formed, and then we can expect this move, otherwise this move. Thank you very much once again. This is Ishan. See you next time.